If you want to use Glyph Timer on a Nothing Phone 4a, first of all, we can open Settings. Over here in Settings, we should be able to open Glyph Interface, and then if you scroll down a little bit, we can find the Glyph Timer. Now, in order to use the Glyph Timer, you can tap on Set Glyph Timer. We can set up the timer over here. So let's say I'm just gonna set it to 15 seconds, and then we need to place our phone face down in order to start the timer. There we go, and then the timer starts running. Of course, we can still pick up our phone, and if you unlock it, then you should be able to find the notification about the Glyph Timer, and soon it should go off. So let's see if that is the case. There we go. So the Glyph Timer is finished. Besides that, we have additional settings like we can mute the alarm sound, and we can always open Glyph Timer pop-up when you use the Quick Settings panel. So in the Quick Settings panel, if you open it, or the Control Center, in here, at least by default, you should be able to find the Glyph Timer button, so you can just tap on it, and then once you flip your phone, you can start it just like you did in the settings. So this is definitely a quicker way to use the Glyph Timer. But if you want to specifically set up the time, of course, then you should be able to do that in these settings, or you can just toggle this option on, so whenever you tap on this button in order to, instead of activating it immediately, you just open the setup instead. Leave a like and subscribe.